name is Tina. I'm an English teacher, and today I'll be explaining how to make a cite page. Now, the first thing you want to think about is in which format you need to write it in. Many times MLA is used in grade school and high school, and a lot of times APA is used in business schools. So really clarify with your teacher or your professor about what style you want to use. The second thing is you want to begin a new page. So this new page will be at the very end of your paper, and it's going to have a specific look to it. Now, for the sake of today, we'll talk about just the MLA format. On the top of this, you title it Works Cited. Make sure that everything that you have written here, typed here, is going to be in Times New Roman 12-point font. Also, ensure that you double space it. Each subsequent entry for your citation is going to have a specific way of organizing the author and the title and the date and all the information where you retrieve it from. So what you want to do is look to a style guide, and they usually come in these editions. That'll give you the very specific ways to make the entries appear throughout the works cited page. My name is Tina, and those were a few ways to begin creating a works cited page.